Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Students, as you know that your term 1 exam is very nearby you. You are preparing hard, you are doing your work well, but whatever the questions arises during the study time, please don't hesitate to ask any of the questions. Okay? So do one thing, use your mobile. In that mobile, YouTube comments are there, your WhatsApp is there. Use it to ask your questions immediately to your subject teachers. Right? In my subject, you are free to call me anytime, free to chat anytime. Right? I'm trying to reply as early as possible. Okay? With this wish, I'm just going to start this class. And before starting the class, let's welcome you on my YouTube channel. This is Virendra, your computer science teacher, and I am here to give you one revision session for table and chart in PowerPoint. And this is chapter number 4. Basically, this video belongs to class 6 student, but other of your friend of any class can take the benefits of it. Right? So students, in today's class, we are going to have these topics. First, how to insert a chart. Second, changing chart type using design type. How we are going to change the chart type. Next one is how to format a chart. In this, some subtopics are there. How to modify chart layout using the design tab. Next, how to change the shape of your chart or color of your chart using the format tab. And last one is changing background color using the format plot area tab. Right? So these are the few topics which we cover in this session. So students, first topic is your first topic is okay. So inserting a chart. This topic we are going to start here. Inserting a chart. Inserting a chart. Students, whenever you have opened your PowerPoint presentation, at that time you will get one layout. Can you tell me which layout you will get at that time? Can you tell me? Yes, the layout is title slide. Right? It is appear with the title and some one box for subtitle. Now first thing is you have to change the layout. For changing the layout, what will do here? For changing the layout, what will do? First, you will do a right click on the slide. Right click on the slide. Here, you will get a layout option. Layout option. Now, after the layout option, many sub options are available. In that, what I'll do, we have to select table and content layout. You have to select this one. You have to select this one. Okay? This is the name of your layout. Once it's done, what I'll do here after that? After having a proper layout, what you have to do? Okay, so what you have to do is, now it's time to insert a chart. For inserting a chart, what you will do here? First, you will go to the Insert tab. In that Insert tab, you will get one group here. Illustration group. illustration group. After the illustration group, what you will do here? You will get a chart button, and once you click on chart button, you will get a dialog box. You will get a dialog box. Now, after getting the dialog box, many types of chart are available. Many types of chart, like bar chart, line chart, column chart, double bar graph, like many kind of charts are available. Okay, and suppose you have selected a column chart. Suppose in that dialog box you have selected a column chart. Okay, you have selected a column chart. Now, after selecting the column chart, right? If you see your presentation, that is PowerPoint presentation, in that presentation you are able to see two things. Number one is for your PowerPoint presentation. This is the first one, and second one, data sheet. Okay, at the same time you are able to see the data sheet. So what is data sheet? Please give your answer by using the YouTube comment. So according to the content, the answer of this question is data sheet is the one kind of Excel sheet. In that sheet, the predefined values are already there, right? And if you make the changes inside the Excel sheet, like some columns are there, column names are there, some rows are there, that is already filled. But this is the by default values, not according to your needs. Now what you will do, after inserting the chart, you will get the data sheet. In that data sheet, you have to make some changes according to your requirement, right? And after making the changes, the chart is immediately changes at the same time. In real, you can also view in real time, right? Whatever the changes you have done in the data sheet, the same thing is applied on the PowerPoint presentation also, right? And according to that, you are able to see the chart, right? Suppose you have taken column chart, so you have the change is applicable to that chart. Like if you make changes on the name of the column, right? So maybe the whatever the names of the columns are there, that also become changed. The values are going to be changed. The height of the bar is also going to be changed, right? So I think you are able to understand each and everything what I am trying to teach here. Now students, it's time to understand second point, that is changing chart type. It's time to understand changing chart type. Changing chart type. Now, right now, you have observed one thing. I'm damn sure. What is it? I'm trying to say here, once your chart is inserted with data sheet into the presentation, then three kinds of tabs appear on the menu bar. Number one, design tab. Number two, layout tab. Number three, format tab. Right now, we are going to use design tab, right? We are going to use design tab. Design tab. In design tab, you will get type group. You will get type group, right? And inside the type group, you are able to have chart type button. Chart type button, right? So what you will do here, you have to click on chart type button. So various types of chart are available in that tab. Suppose you do not want column chart, you want pie chart, then immediately you can make the changes. And according to that changes, you are available. The data is also available. Clear? So please make sure that you have to go to the design tab, then after type group, then after chart type button. Here you will get a one dialog box. In that dialog box, you have to select the particular chart type. It's clear? Now, next is formatting a chart. Our next topic is formatting a chart. Formatting a chart. So student, now before starting this topic, first of all you have to understand what the formatting is. How can I define that? Right? Our first question arises here. What is formatting? What is formatting? So formatting is nothing but whatever the format, whatever the changing, whatever the manipulation, whatever the editing you are done on the presentation or on the graph. Okay, that is called formatting. Means editing and changing or manipulation which is done on the chart or the presentation, that is called formatting. Now this kind of formatting is applicable only on the chart, right? So right now we are going to do the formatting on the chart. So for this, what we will do here for formatting, we are going to use the design tab. We are going to use the design tab for doing the formatting. So in design tab, okay, first we are going to understand that how we are going to change the chart layout. Here we have to use this one, that is I am talking about this topic. I am talking about this topic, the how to change the chart layout, right? So for changing the chart layout, we are going to use the design tab. So in design tab, what we do here, you have to use this button, chart layout button. Chart layout button. Now once you click on that, once you click on chart layout button, one dialog box will appear, right? And beside the chart layout button, there is a button like this. And let me draw this button back like this. This is called more button. So whatever the chart layout is available at that time, you are able to select it. But if you do not satisfy at that time, then click on more button. After clicking on more button, various kinds of chart layout is available. Select any one according to your requirement. Clear? Now students, I hope each and everything is very much clear to you. Whatever the things I have delivered you, okay, whatever the revision topics I have already given to you, okay, each and everything is very much clear to you. But students, if you still have some kind of queries, some kind of questions, please ask to me. You are having a different communication media like WhatsApp, YouTube comments. A phone number is already you have. You can text me, you can call me, and many options are available. But please don't hesitate, right? So with this, I am coming to our second last topic, that is how to change the shape, style, and color. How to change the shape, style, and color. Let me erase the board here. So students, our topic is changing shape, style, changing shape, style, and color. Changing shape, style, and color. Right? Now, in this, first we are going to focus on shape, style. In this, you will have many kinds of button like shape, fill, shape, color, right? So these are the few buttons you will observe in shape style group. Now you have to understand where the shape style button is available, right? Or where the shape style group is available. So for this you have to observe that this is available on format tag. Please be remember, this is available on format tag. So inside the format tag, many kinds of group are available. So now we have to select the shape style, right? In that shape style group, you will have many kinds of shapes of the chart are there, right? Many styles are there, many shape styles are there. With formatting is inbuilt in. No need to change, no need to do any kind of formatting because it is pre-formatted, right? Only you can do is you can later on change the color also, change the color, its color, or maybe the background you can change, right? So in format tab you have selected the shape style. Here the more button is also available. You can click on it. Many kinds of shape styles are available. Okay, like low, medium, many kinds are there. Many styles are there. You have to select any one according to your requirement. Now, once it is done, now the format of the shape style, or you can say that is already changed here, right? So once it is changed, now if you want to fill some kind of color inside it, then you have to click on shape, fill, color, shape, fill. Here you will get many kinds of color, right? You will get many kind of color. You will choose any one color, then the color will be changed. If you choose shape, okay, then the difference between both the thing is shape fill means whatever the plot area is there, the color is filled inside it, inside the chart area, inside the plot area. And here shape color means whatever the color of your bars are there, colors of your lines are there, that is already going to be changed here, right? If you choose the shape way, so whatever the thickness of lines you are able to change that. It's clear or not? But one more thing I just want to tell you, you can also take the reference of your book, okay, or you can see the previous videos, okay. In that videos you are able to see the practical demonstration of the same also, right? So right now you are doing the revision session. In that revision session, you can also have some kind of previous videos and watch it. And if you have any kind of query, you can ask me. So students, with this, I am coming to the last topic. The topic name is changing background color. Let me erase the board here. Now, changing background color. Changing background color. Now, here what you try to understand here, we have to change the background of the chart. How we are going to do that? Right now, in this, no need to use any kind of tag. Just do only one thing. Right click on plot area. Right click on plot area. Many options will come. Just select format plot area. Once you select the format plot area, one dialog box will open. one dialog box will open. On the left side you will get fill, background color, right? After this you can also get texture, style. Okay, many options you will have. So out of these options you have to select background, and once it is selected, the relevant buttons also available on the right side, right? If you want some kind of texture, you want some kind of changing the color palette is already available here. You can choose any color. You want to have some kind of 3D background, you can also have it. And once it is done, don't forget to click on OK button. Here the OK button is available. Don't forget to click on it. Then each and every change is applicable on the chart. The color of the background is changed now because you have selected the color here, and once the change is applied on the chart, your chart becomes very attractive, right? And once it is done, then you can give the delivery to the audience. You can present your data in front of the audience, right? Now this is all about your whatever the topics I have committed to deliver in this session. Now let me proceed further. So let's erase the board here and then we'll proceed further. Let me check if anything is pending here, and I will take your queries by using your WhatsApp, or you can also give your queries on your YouTube comment. So now board is erased here. So students, it's time to give you a big thank you to you. A big thank you. The reason is you have attended this online session, online revision session very politely. From starting till the last, you are listening me, you are watching me, you are sharing your views, sharing your feedback by using the YouTube comment. That's very interesting for me, right? So students, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching it, but please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, if you like it, give your valuable feedback. And all, right? And please don't forget to press the bell icon also. If you press it, you will get the notification for my latest videos. So students, thank you so much for watching me.